Hey, money ninjas. Ever stuffed $1 in your pocket, then poof, it's gone, and you're like, where'd it go? Maybe you blew it on candy, or it just vanished into thin air, and now you're broke again. Sound familiar? You're not dumb, it's just that nobody spills the beans on why money slips away like a sneaky ghost. Well, today, I'm ripping the lid off this mystery. Why does money disappear, and how do you stop it? Here's the shocker, money doesn't vanish, you make it vanish. Crazy, right? Think of it like a leaky bucket. Every time you spend without thinking, drip, drip, it's gone. Scientists say our brains love instant fun, like that extra slime toy, but hate waiting, so we toss cash at stuff we don't even need. Step 1. Catch yourself. Next time you want to buy something, ask, do I really want this, or am I just bored? Step 2. Hide some cash, stick $1 in a jar and don't touch it for a week. Step 3. Track it, grab a notebook and scribble down what you spend today, even if it's just gum. You'll see the leaks. Your mission: find one thing you spent money on this week, tell me in the comments what it was and if it was worth it. This trick's so simple, it'll blow your mind and save your cash. Don't just sit there, smash that like button hard if you want more money secrets, and subscribe now because tomorrow I'm dropping a hack that'll make your piggy bank scream. Let's get rich together, hit it.